Hello everyone, welcome to hpmtech. Today a new video. Welcome to Google Lens 20, making it easy to recognition image with different filters. Google Lens. Last month Google organization big update list that coming next years, and that's master and search tool coming different Directicom until the Google Lens UA Android seeing tech that's easily recognition image different filter. This tech week acquisitions a changing introduction in July after analyze image. Google Lens show a new custard about portrait sheet that you shift different filter. Google effect content action suggested most recent designation but tweet your access all available filter that's similar of July version with their explained your now icon. The uploaded tag use text button that's easily untext awareness approach its recited don't repeated user snap in live product original clips was not useful. That's lines we can use Google's app which can see more about Google Lens. Line Google comment with sound increase into Google Apps browser OSC. Google Lens getting manual updates. Take photo skate question about lens. Cross material research and pixel launcher shortcut. Google Fit TikTok having hands with every Android 12 feature. Google Lens is about Android 12 new features. YouTube Music getting Lens to Google Lens. This line is 11.41 beta version. So subscribe my channel for latest mission updates. Press the bell icon.